Chase ay napakamasiyahing bata. Talagang lahat ng mga taong makita niya, lahat ngingitian. Kahit minsan pag nasa mall kami, yung mga sales lady, minsan bigla na natatawanan. Makikita mo sa kanya na talagang sobrang lambing. Kahit na 1-year-old pa lang siya, alam niya na yung affection, magbigay ng affection.
Si Chase ay makulit na. Dating buhat-buhat mo lang na napakaliit. Then ngayon sobrang kulit na at sobrang lambing.
Happy birthday, Chase! Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Chase! I love you!
Happy birthday, Chase!
Can't let a day go by without thanking you for the joy that you bring to my life. And ooh, there's something about the way your sun shines on my face. It's a love so true, I can never get enough of you. This feeling can't be wrong. I'm about to get my worship on. Take me away. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Happy birthday, Chase! We wish you a...
Lumaki ka ng mabuti.
May you be showered with blessings and love. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, baby Chase. May the Lord keep you and bless you. Lumaki kang mapagmahal sa iyong daddy and mommy. Mahal na mahal ka rin namin, mga ninong and ninang nyo dito sa Tascas. Happy birthday!
I can never get enough of you. This feeling can't be wrong. I'm about to get my worship on. Take me away. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Chase, nak, ang wish ko sa'yo, lumaki kang may respeto sa mga tao.
Lumaki ka lang na malusog, tsaka palagi lang tayong masaya. Tsaka pinapangako namin sa'yo, nagbibigay namin lahat sa'yo ng makakaya namin. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
And there's something about the way you love shines.
Happy birthday, Chase. We love you.
Oh no,